Mama kwa bobim. Oh, your questions and padona bisa say. In case of Sabia, obi the picture to say WhatsApp or call WhatsApp about so obi a post picture now the sticker behind it ato so. Obi bisa say kwan best na meet me first way sticker na free. Questions ha ni padona bisa me na at the same time so yeah you try betty say won say obi wo na or the correct school be then not the sticker attire so nipa do na ebisa say kwan ben so na on betimi afa so yi sa sticker na free ho enti because of Saturday we e nipa do na omo per software sa betimi dey remove those stickers na free software sin bi wo free e bi wo a paid because of say nipa do na use free na free ni ntimi work more mo yi ni ntino omo your madden say omo ko paid but still nipa do na person mo free me ho say just in case so be post a picture betimi remove sticker na dey sticker na free picture na dey e watch you no me ankasa me hwehwe mu amaye na me now for ama bi so mo no the obetimi ayi ni in case of so be send no picture not the sticker to so na picture na ye in Photoshop file like formatter PSD file like format ni PSD now be now ko layers no now who say sticker no wo a ubetimi a remove sticker na dey afri here is the case pictures no mo send them do na JPEG but no kro wo ni say picture no wo JPEG a ade ba ko say dey tweet ni say sticker na eda picture no so no sticker na be ka picture no ho bi what I say nti like the ewo actually no are useless like it is gone the ewo actually we never replace sticker na be replace apa be ka picture na nkasa ho bi what I say nti opese we remove sticker na free wa we two picture na free wa ma actually na be ho say PDF formatter almost software bi to say Adobe Illustrator ubetimi e remove sticker na dey free but e wo JPEG JPEG de ba ko fan tweet nim say na JPEG no so no it say I WhatsApp yeah I'm for upload the to almost status na at the same time so oko Twitter once obi a post also na dey to no the second ni nyina o JPEG format nti me gidi say me nkotwe scam software bia e bia developer bia so sa software e betimi remove background no na later on no entimi remove so why experience be say okotwe scam bi so umetimi ayi we na free ho na still umetimi anyi free leave fa to comment say the medical kan na the moment anybody be place we dey aka ho no ni na oba be kan photo no ho but ye AI software bi ni mo ho in case of say bia picture no JPEG format kra na ubetimi upload wo AI software no o upload wo AI software na AI na yi sticker no AI ni yi sticker no free ho on replace no opportunity on replacing it with the original thing na na wo ho na nipa ndeto na but kind of prediction bi na AI na be predict na that wo success ratio ne be 2% na de ba kwa me say any professional hacker be a programmer what I say professional hacker be a programmer because say obi the picture to na or the secretary ho meaning say the privacy we invade obi na nipa nyawa I think say hacking nti say those kind of programmers hackers professional hackers maybe will me gidi say obi betimi a create software because right now in this world no, everything is possible so I think say obi betimi creating a software personal use or one can personal use na sa software no e wo ho no the yes and normal no eno no ebi obetimi remove sticker na for but right now na say see am meti asese ya no say okọ internet no so a me nya sure so betimi software bi sa obetimi remove sa de na make sure no so o video na wo software na free ebi anipa no omo ntwe ska ebi apese nipa no test ebi wa test aboa obetimi leave video to video na say me say video be boa na video be ma explanation ebi ade bi a che wa adwen o me pese me yes no be ma information bi already o here still I know o question bi apese o mi say betimi leave edit to video na say the next video no me attend follow Tech in Chill on Facebook, YouTube, and subscribe to the channel. Make the videos be better, make the videos and here what kind of happy idea unim I don't know